Hello everybody, how are you? How are you doing? It's Murad Sultan Azwidi again with you. Okay, so now we will see a new lecture, new lesson. Okay, and I do thank you for joining your classroom and do your homeworks. And also, I'm gonna thank for a grade 8 boys and girls, those who were working and still are working their homeworks and doing, let's say again, their lessons. Thank you for that. Okay, so let's start with the 2 second. Put your student book on your desk. Okay, a pen and papers. Okay, we start. Okay, I'll give you time to prepare your materials tools, then we start. Okay. Okay, interpreting and drawing a line graph. The title of our lesson is what? Interpreting and drawing line graphs. Okay? And drawing line graphs. Student book page 108. Okay. Sunday, 26 April 2020, class 8. So, first of all, my kids, let's define what is a line graph. Okay. We can say that a line graph shows how data changes. Okay, shows how data changes over a period of time. A line graph shows a trend. Okay, a line graph shows a trend. Okay, you can draw more than one line on a line graph. Okay, to help you to compare two trends. Okay, to compare two sets of a trend. You can also use a line graph to predict what? To predict what will happen in the future. Okay? For example, the table shows the average monthly exercise. Exercise 1, student book. Page 108. Okay. Who can read the exercise? Who can read it? Okay. Draw a line. The question is, the table shows the average monthly rainfall in Lima and Peru. Okay? In Lima and Peru. Student book page 108. Okay. So, in January, we have 1.2. The rainfall is what is okay, let's check the next. Okay, we told that rainfall in millimeter on January is what? Is 1.2. And in February is 0.9. In March is 0.7. And the rainfall in April is 0.4. The rainfall in May is 0.6. Then June 1.8. July 4.4. August 3.1. Then September 3.3. And the rainfall in the month of October is 1.7. The rainfall on the month of November is 0.5. And on December is 0.7. Okay. Now the first sub-question A is what? Try to draw a line graph for this data. Okay? So let's start. We try to draw a line graph for this data. Okay. Here we have January. Okay. This is February. This is January. This is February. This is March. This is April. This is May. This is June. This is July. This is August. This is September. This is October. This is the month of November. And this is December. Okay. And this one is what? Go back. And this one is rainfall. Okay? Rainfall. Okay. Let's see the amount of rainfall on January. On January it will be 1.2. It will be 1.2. Okay. 1.2. What is 1.2? This is 1. This is 1, 2. This one 5. This one also 5. So 10 squares. So 1.1, 1.2. This one is 1.2. So I will make this point 1.2. Then the next. The next is 0.9. 0.9. Okay, I will plot this point on the diagram. 0.9. This is 1 and this one is, we told this from 0 to 1, we divided this into 10 equal parts. Means each small square represents 1 millimeter. Okay, this is the unit is in millimeter. Okay, so this one, my kids, is 0.9. 0.9 is this. Okay. Then for March, the rainfall on March is 0.7. 0.7. What is 0.7? Okay, March. This is 0.5, 0.6. This is 0.7. Okay. Then for April, we have what? We have 0.4. And May, 0.6. Okay. April is 0.4. April, 0.4. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. This is 4. And for April, we got 0.6. This is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 0.6. Okay. And for June, with the rainfall in June is 1.8. 1.8. June 1.8. This one is 1.8. And for July is 4.4. July is 4.4. July is 4.4. Okay. This is 3, this is 4. July. This one. Okay, July will be 4.4. This is for my kids. And July, what is it? This is July. Okay. So 4.1, 2, 3, 4. It will be. Okay. Then we told that for July is what? For July is 4.4. Okay. And for August is 3.1. 3.1. August 3.1. Okay. 3.1. This point is 3.1. For what? For August. And for September is 3.3. September is 3.3. Okay. We've got this point. September 3.3. Where is 3? This is 3. And this is 3.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay. Then the next, for September we told 3.3, for October 1.7, and November 0.5, and this one 0.7. So 1.7, 1.7. Okay. This is 1, this is 0.7, 1.7. And the next we told 0.5, 0.5, okay, and 0.7. 0.5, and the last one 0.7. Okay, now I plot all the points. Means that I drew a line graph, okay, to represent my data. I will now do what, my kids? I will try to join the points like that. Okay. This is called what? Called line graph. Okay. So this is the graph, my kids. Okay. Now we represent what? We draw a line graph for this data. Okay. Then the next question. How can I read the question? Try to describe the trend in the data. Describe the trend in the data. Okay. Question B, C. Between which two methods was the greatest increase in rainfall? Okay, that's it. So we will try to describe this trend. We will tell that what? The rainfall. You can see that. The rainfall in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and so on. For example, the rainfall in June was decreasing till what? Till the month of April. Then it will increase in May. Then it will increase. Okay, the rainfall increase in January. Okay, in June. Sorry, in June, in July, and reach the top. Okay, of the rainfall. Okay, then what will happen? It will decrease, then increase, then decrease. Okay, so we can write that the trend was decreasing and then increasing and reach the top, at which let's say month we told on, look here, on July. Okay. On July. Then it decreases. Okay. The next, between which two months was the greatest increase? In rainfall? So this is the first one. Okay, at July. Okay. Then which other month is September? Okay. So we can September. We can which two months the rainfall was very was increasing. So the answer will be in July, and what else? And September. Okay, the next, what we have an exercise. So the exercise, the table shows the average price of unleaded petrol in England over 5 years. Year, then price in pence. 2011, the price was 111. 2012, the price was 128. 2013, 133. 2014 is 132. 2015 is 108. The question is what? Draw a line graph for this data. Okay. So this is, my kids, the vertical axis denotes the price in pence. Okay. And the vertical axis denotes the year. Okay. This is okay. Let's start. We have what? 2011, we have 111. This is 110. Okay. 100, 105, 110, 111. It will be this one, please. Okay, this is 111. Okay, then for the next 2012, we have 128. 120, 128. It will be this one. 128 in 2012. Then in 2013 we have 133. 133 where is this is 130, 135. So it will be here 133 is this one. This is 130. You see this one? This is 130. Then 131, 132, 133. This one. Okay. Then 133. Then in 2014, 132. 14, 132. 132. 30. This is 30, 31, 32. Then in 2015, we have the price was 108. 108. Sorry, 108. This is 100. Okay. 105, 108. It will be, this is we call 100. Okay. 100. Okay, this is 100. Okay, this is 100. Okay. Then this is 105. And this one 108. Okay. I will try to draw for this point. Minus. This is okay. 100, 105, 108. It will be okay. Now I plot all the points. I will join the points. Okay. I will make like that. Okay, this is the line graph of my data. Okay, then between which two consecutive years did the price increase the most? Between which two consecutive years did the price what increases the most? Okay, let's see the price increases the most, like it's in that point. The price was here 133. Okay, 100. This one is 133. Means the price has reached the most or has increased the most. So from where to where exactly? Between which two consecutive years? The price, let's say, did the price increase the most? Increase the most. So we have what? 2013 and 2014. The price increases the most. Okay? So we got 2013, this one, 2013. And what else? And 2014. And 2014. This is 132. So the answer should be what, my kids? The answer should be between these two consecutive years, which are 2013 and 2014. Okay? The next exercise, the table shows the percentage of the vote that the Purple Party received in 6 general elections. Complete the line graph. Okay, here we have some points are plotted. Okay, we'll continue. In 1986, 1886, this is 86, 87, 80. Okay, this is, it will be 20%. Okay, then in 1991 is 11%. 11%. This one. Okay, and this point is, this point denotes the year 1991. Okay, so it will be 11%. Then in 1996, this is 1995, this one is 196. So it will be what? It will be equal to 24%. This is, my kids, is 24%. This one, this point. If you, let's say, draw a horizontal line parallel to the x-axis, to the year axis, we get this point. Okay. The next. So in 2001 we have 30%. 2001 we have, this is 2000 and this one is 2001. It will be what? It will be 30%. Okay. Then 2006 is 16%. 2006. This is 2006. Now I will try to complete my graph of the line graph. 2006 is 16%. So this is 10, this is 15, and this is 16. This point. Okay. 2006 is 16%. You can, if let's say you draw a parallel line from that point, you will get here 16%. And the last one, 2011, the percentage was 18. 18, this is 18, my kids, 18%. Okay, so in which year? In 2011. What is 2011? This is 2010 and this is 2011. It will be, we told that 18. What is 18? If this is 5, 10, 15, 18. So 5, 10, 15, then this one is 15, then this one is 18. Okay. Now, my kids, I will join the box. So I will make like that. Then like that. Now I draw the line graph that represents this data. Okay. The next question. Below is a line graph. Here in this graph, in this coordinated grid, we have what? We have a line graph that shows the population of a village. Okay. So, what was the population in 1000 and 1980? The population in 1980. and 80. You will draw a vertical line in the y direction, in the population direction, okay? Then we will also draw a vertical line, horizontal line, okay, parallel to what? Parallel to the year axis, okay? So this point denotes what? The population in 1980. So this is 750. This is 760. This one 770, 780, 790, and 800. Okay? So this one, the answer is what, my kids? Is 760. Okay? 760. So the answer is, okay, 760. Then, small b, in which year was the population 700? 700, my kids. In which year exactly? The population was 700. This is 700, my kids. Okay. So, the year is what? Is 1970. So, 1970. Means that in year 1970, the population was 700. Okay. Now the population is expected to increase by 120 by 2020. In 2020. Work out the expected population in 2020. What is 2020? If this is 1970, 1980, 1990, 2000, 2010, so this one is what? 2020. Okay. Now we will try to expect exactly the population. So, here my kids, I will try to extend this line. I will try to extend this line. Okay, this line, okay, comes to its end. So the population in 2020 is what? Okay, this is a vertical line, okay, parallel to the population, the axis of population, and this one also like that. To get to know about the population. So it will be what, my kids? It will be, this is 1050, and this one it will be 1090. So the population is 1090. Okay. 1090. Okay. The next. Here an exercise. The table shows the number of customers each lunchtime at an ice cream parlor. Draw a line graph for this data. We have the day, number of days, and number of customers. Here Monday, we have 42 customers. Tuesday, we have 47 customers. Wednesday, we have 3 customers. Thursday, we have 36 customers. Friday, we have 40 customers. And the last one, Saturday, we have 31 customers. So we will try to draw the line graph for this data. Okay, first of all, I will start. Okay, this is 0, my kids. This is where we have the max is 40. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. This is 10. This is 20. This is 30. This is 40. And this one is 50. Okay? Okay. We thought this one is 20. This is 10. This is 0. And this vertical axis denotes what? Denotes the customers. Okay? Customers. denotes what? Customers. Okay. And this one denotes what, my kids? Denotes the day. The first one is what? Monday. So how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I'll just make this one. This is the first one. This is second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay. So this one is Monday. Just I will write M. Means Monday. Then Tuesday. Then Wednesday. Then Thursday. TH. Then Friday, Saturday. Friday and Saturday. Okay. So now we start. On Monday we have 42 customers. On Monday we have 42 customers. Look, from 40 to 50 we divide this, the difference between 50 and 40 into 10 equal parts. Means 50 minus 40 equal what? Equal 10. Then I will divide this into, I will divide 10 by 10. So each small square represent 1, okay? 1 customers, okay? It means each small square represents 1 customer. So here we have 42. What is it? This is 41 and this one is 42, okay? 42 here, this point. Okay, the next, 47 in Tuesday, 47. This is 45. This is 46, 47. This is 47. Okay. Then 3 on Wednesday, the number of customers is 3. Okay. On Wednesday is 3. This is my kid 0. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is Wednesday, 1, 2, 3. This is my kids 3 customers. Okay. Then for Thursday we have 36 customers. So this is, we told 10, 20, this is 35 and this one 36. No, sorry, this is, okay, 10, 20, 30 and this is 35 and this one 36. Okay. Then on Friday the number of customers was 40. Friday we have 40. This is 10, 20, 30, yes 30, 40, okay, and yes, it will be this one, 40. Okay, the next, on Saturday the number of customers was 31, okay, this is my kids 10, 20, 30, and this one is 31. Now I can, let's say, do what? I will try to join the points, okay? So I will make like that, okay. This is the line graph, okay, of my data. Okay, so we did this, small a, small b. On which day did the ice cream parlor have the most customers? Have the most customers. In which day exactly? In Tuesday. Okay, because it was what? It was on Tuesday. It was 47. Okay. We have 47 customers on Tuesday. Okay. On which day? So it will be Tuesday. The answer is what? Is Tuesday. Okay. Then work out how many customers visited the ice cream parlor in total. So just add what? Add all of this. We will add, this is, we told 42. Okay, this is 42. Then I will try to add the number of customers that shows on the line graph. Okay, I will add all of this. Okay, means what? Means 42 plus 47 plus 3 plus 36 plus what? Plus 40 plus 31. Okay, let's do it. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 0 is 18. Plus 1 is equal to 90. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. Plus 4 is 16. Plus 3 is 19. So 199. Okay? 199 customers or visitors. Okay? Visitors. So we thought that we will add all the number of customers. Okay? In how many days? In 6 days. Okay? So we'll check again. 7 plus 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Okay. Then 3 plus 4, 7. Plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Okay. On to the next. Okay, thank you for listening. Okay. This lecture is about, let's say, interpreting and drawing line graphs. Okay. Thank you for listening, my kids. Goodbye.